In this video you will be learning how to locate the group creation settings and create a group manually. To begin the creation of groups for your course, you must first be in editing mode. The setting for this is located in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, then locate the Participants Settings option at the top of the course page, below the course title and number, and select it. You will then be greeted with the Participants Settings display. Once there, locate and select the Enrolled User option with the drop-down menu. Once this menu is displayed, select the Groups option. This will take you to the Groups creation page where the management of groups takes place. From here, you can see the various settings that pertain to the Groups feature. To create a group, click on the Create Group option. First, enter the name of the group in the Group Name section. The group ID number should remain empty by default. The description section is an optional feature that is used to provide a group description if it is needed. Just like the group ID number, the enrollment key option should remain blank by default. Group member visibility affects the member's ability to see what group they are in as well as who the members of those groups are. By default, this option is set to visible, though there are 3 other options to choose from. Group messaging lets groups communicate via the messaging drawer. By default, it is set to No. The new picture setting allows for the addition of an image. Now that we've come to the end of the video, you can now locate the group creation settings and create a group manually. Tune into the second part of this video series where we focus on how to create a group automatically, how to add, remove members of a group, and how to import groups.